In today's video, I'm going to teach you add a language for your store, customer facing. Making your store available in multiple languages helps shoppers feel at home and can improve conversion in regions you already reach. We'll walk through adding a language, translating your content, letting customers switch languages on your storefront, and making sure your checkout wording matches the language experience. Start in your Shopify admin and head to Settings, then Languages. This is where you manage which languages your storefront can show. You'll see your current store language and an option to add more. Click Add Language and choose the language you want from the list. Take a moment to pick the correct regional variant if needed, like French for Canada or Portuguese for Brazil, so date formats and spelling feel familiar to your customers. Next, use Shopify's Translate and Adapt app, or another translation app you prefer, to add translations for your products, pages, collections, navigation, and other content. The app helps you enter or review translations so your product titles, descriptions, and policy pages appear properly in the language you just added. If you already have translated text, you can align it here. If not, you can create translations directly in the app. Aim for consistent tone and terminology across your store so everything feels cohesive to shoppers switching languages. If you want customers to choose their language, enable the language selector in your theme. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. In your theme settings, look for the language selector option and turn it on. Depending on your theme, you may place it in the header, footer, or a dedicated menu area. Once it's enabled, visitors will see a clear way to switch languages without hunting through menus. To make sure your checkout matches the experience, go to Settings, then Checkout. Under Checkout Language, click Edit Checkout Content. Here you can adjust the wording for buttons, field labels, and messages so the checkout flows naturally in the language you're offering. Keep phrases concise and familiar, and double-check critical labels like shipping, billing, and payment instructions. When you're finished, click Save. Saving confirms the changes across your languages, theme settings, and checkout text, so what you configured is exactly what customers see. That's it. You added a language, translated your content, enabled a language selector, and aligned your checkout. With these changes, shoppers can browse and buy in the language that works best for them, creating a smoother, more trustworthy experience.